20 emerging technologies that will change our world. In today's rapidly evolving world, technology plays a vital role in shaping our lives and society. From the advent of the internet to the rise of smartphones, we have witnessed significant advancements that have transformed the way we communicate, work, and live. However, the pace of technological innovation shows no signs of slowing down. We will explore 20 emerging technologies that have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives and change the world as we know it. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative technology with the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. It refers to the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as perception, learning, reasoning, and decision-making. In this essay, we will explore the concept of AI, its key components, and the profound impact it is poised to have on society. AI has already made its mark in numerous fields, and its potential is boundless. From autonomous vehicles to personalized medicine, AI-powered systems are set to reshape industries and drive efficiency. 2. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things is a vast ecosystem of interconnected devices that communicate and interact with each other through the Internet. These devices can range from everyday objects like smartphones, home appliances, and wearable devices to more specialized equipment used in industries such as healthcare, transportation, and agriculture. IoT devices are equipped with sensors, processors, and connectivity capabilities, allowing them to gather data, process it, and transmit it to other devices or a central system. The IoT connects everyday objects to the Internet, enabling them to gather and exchange data. This technology has implications for smart homes, healthcare, transportation, and sustainability. 3. Blockchain. In recent years, blockchain has emerged as one of the most promising and transformative technologies. Originally introduced as the underlying technology behind Bitcoin, blockchain has evolved beyond cryptocurrency to revolutionize various industries. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and immutable digital ledger that enables secure and transparent transactions. In this essay, we will explore the concept of blockchain, its key features, and its potential applications across different sectors. Blockchain technology offers secure and transparent transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Its potential applications extend beyond cryptocurrency to areas like supply chain management and voting systems. 4.5G technology. 5G technology, the fifth generation of wireless technology, is set to revolutionize the way we connect and communicate. With faster speeds, lower latency, and higher capacity, 5G promises to unlock a new era of connectivity and enable a wide range of transformative applications. In this essay, we will explore the concept of 5G technology, its key features, and the potential impact it can have on various sectors. The fifth-generation wireless technology promises faster speeds and lower latency. It will pave the way for advancements in autonomous vehicles, remote surgery, and augmented reality. 5. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are immersive technologies that have gained significant attention in recent years. These technologies offer new ways to experience and interact with digital content, blurring the boundaries between the physical and virtual worlds. In this essay, we will explore the concepts of VR and AR, their key features, and the transformative impact they have across various industries. VR and AR have already begun transforming entertainment and gaming. In the future, they will find applications in education, healthcare, and training simulations. 6. Quantum computing. Quantum computers have the potential to solve complex problems that are currently unsolvable by classical computers. Their impact will be felt in cryptography, drug discovery, and optimization algorithms. Quantum computing is an emerging field that harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to revolutionize computation. It promises to solve complex problems exponentially faster than classical computers, opening up new frontiers in areas such as cryptography, drug discovery, and optimization algorithms. We will explore the concept of quantum computing, its key principles, and the potential impact it can have on various industries. 7. Gene editing. With the emergence of CRISPR technology, gene editing has become more precise and accessible. It holds immense potential for treating genetic diseases and improving crop yields. Gene editing refers to the process of making targeted modifications to the DNA of an organism. It involves precisely altering or removing specific sections of the genetic code, enabling scientists to add, delete, or modify genes. This is achieved using specialized tools such as CRISPR-Cas9, zinc finger nucleases, ZFNs, or transcription activator-like effector nucleases, TALENs, which act as molecular scissors to cut DNA at desired location. 8. Renewable energy technologies. Renewable energy technologies have emerged as vital solutions to address the challenges posed by climate change and the depletion of fossil fuel resources. These technologies harness naturally replenishing sources of energy, such as sunlight, wind, water, and geothermal heat, to generate power without depleting finite resources or emitting greenhouse gases. We will explore various renewable energy technologies, their benefits, and their potential to reshape the global energy landscape towards a sustainable future. As concerns about climate change escalate, renewable energy technologies like solar and wind power are poised to play a crucial role in transitioning to a sustainable future. 9. Advanced robotics. Advancements in robotics and automation are transforming industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and agriculture. Collaborative robots, cobots, will work alongside humans to increase productivity and efficiency. 10. Biotechnology. The field of biotechnology is expanding rapidly, with breakthroughs in areas like synthetic biology, biofuels, and regenerative medicine. It holds promise for addressing global challenges in healthcare and agriculture. 11. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular scale. Its applications range from electronics and energy storage to water purification and medical diagnostics. 12. 3D printing. 3D printing has already revolutionized prototyping and small-scale manufacturing. As the technology advances, it will enable the creation of complex objects with diverse materials, impacting industries like aerospace, healthcare, and construction. 13. Space exploration technology. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are driving innovations in space travel and colonization. The potential for asteroid mining, extraterrestrial habitats, and satellite constellations for global connectivity is on the horizon. 14. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and drones have the potential to reshape transportation systems, reducing accidents, improving traffic flow, and enhancing accessibility. 15. Advanced materials. From graphene to self-healing materials, advancements in material science will revolutionize industries such as electronics, construction, and healthcare. 16. Brain-computer interfaces, BCI. BCIs establish a direct communication pathway between the brain and external devices. They hold promise for enhancing human capabilities and revolutionizing healthcare for individuals with disabilities. 17. Advanced healthcare technologies. Technologies like telemedicine, wearables, and personalized medicine will transform healthcare delivery, making it more accessible, efficient, and tailored to individual needs. 18. Cognitive computing. Cognitive computing combines AI and human-like reasoning capabilities to analyze complex data and provide valuable insights. It has applications in fields such as finance, healthcare, and cybersecurity. 19. Advanced materials recycling. With the increasing demand for sustainable practices, technologies for efficient recycling and upcycling of materials will play a vital role in reducing waste and conserving resources. 20. Precision agriculture. By utilizing sensors, robotics, and data analytics, precision agriculture optimizes farming practices, improving crop yields, minimizing resource usage, and reducing environmental impact. Conclusion. The 20 emerging technologies discussed in this essay represent a glimpse into the future of our world. From AI and blockchain to renewable energy and precision agriculture, these advancements hold the potential to transform industries, address global challenges, and enhance our quality of life. As we embrace these technologies, it is crucial to navigate their ethical, social, and environmental implications. By leveraging these innovations responsibly, we can shape a future that is both technologically advanced and sustainable.